Yeah. Hi. Morning.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Here, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice.
Yes, okay. So you're going to Svalbard?
Yeah.
Okay, first time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm a blogger.
You're a blogger, yes. The person explained me that.
So
yes.
I thought I will have a look of the cockpit because this is the first time
Okay.
in the cockpit in my country. It's not allowed to go to cockpit anytime.
Yeah. We have a possibility to give special permission, so we granted you special permission.
Yeah. Can you just let me know how much time it will take and all the things and what flight level we are going on?
Yes. So the flight from Oslo to Svalbard takes 2 hours and 45 minutes.
Okay.
Right now we are flying at flight level 400. That means 40,000 feet. That equals 12,200 meters above the sea. And I can show you on the map now right where we are.
Okay.
This is our track, so Oslo is down here.
Okay.
Svalbard is up here. Right now we are passing the city of Bodø, which is on the right hand side.
Okay.
You can barely make it out there. And the mountains that you can see down there is the Lofoten Islands, which is quite famous and very popular tourist attraction. So the rest of the flight now will be over the sea. We'll pass an island just in between the mainland and Svalbard, which is called Bjørnøya, or in English that will be Bear Island.
Bear Island.
Bear Island. So that's a small meteorological station.
Okay.
About 12, 14 persons stay there for 6 months at a time and work there, doing meteorological observations.
In the summer?
Yeah, all year around. Yes, so even in the winter. Our flight in towards Longyearbyen will take us, this is called Sirui. This is the southern tip of the Spitsbergen Island. Okay. We'll come in a little bit west of that. Okay. And then we come in through what's called Isfjord. And we're gonna land at Svalbard Airport towards the east. Okay. So I don't know if you're seated on the right or left hand side.
This side.
On the left side. You should have been on the right side.
No, I'll go to that.
It will be a better view on the right side.
Okay.
But this is difficult because when we land the other way, when the wind blows from the west, we come in over here, and then it's better actually to be on the left side. So
somebody told me right side, left side is better.
Yes, true. So how long time are you going to spend?
I will return back on 11 early morning. 2 o'clock there is a flight, I think.
Okay.
That flight I will return back.
All right. Okay. Well, I hope the weather is nice now.
Yeah.
It's not sunlight, of course. You know that.
Yeah,
It's quite,
that's why we're going there.
It's quite dark, but the light should be very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes?
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.